Get ready for an awesome hands-on learning experience. Our one-of-a-kind ministerial apprenticeship program, paired with our MDiv degree, is going to be your ticket to the personal and educational benefits of an incredible mentor relationship between a seasoned pastor and a student. At Mars, you won't just sit there and learn. You'll be out there doing ministry. You'll be known here. As our president says, there are no wallflowers at Mid-America Reformed Seminary. The seminary embraces your one-of-a-kind journey and joyfully welcomes you and your loved ones into our family of believers. Our student-to-faculty ratio isn't just a number. It's evidence that this place cares about each individual as a student. We're also very affordable. At just $290 per credit hour, our tuition is remarkably reasonable, especially compared to other seminaries that are out there. This rock bottom rate is possible thanks to the incredible generosity of our partner churches and individual donors. See, they really get what we're doing here, and they want to help make top-notch education possible for you. But don't think for a second that this low tuition means that our education's a cheap thing. Not at all. The quality remains sky high. Our Center for Missions and Evangelism, this initiative is designed to ignite passion and equip ministers and missionaries with the tools they need to spread the gospel here and around the world. So our desire is that this center will fan the flames of faith and outreach for our students and others who join us in its work. We hope you'll check us out. Visit www.midamerica.edu.